Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the topic of protein for athletes. It's a subject that often sparks debates and questions. How much protein do you really need to optimize your performance and recovery? Let's find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why protein is essential for athletes. Protein is the building block of our body's tissues, including muscles, tendons, and ligaments. When we exercise, we create tiny tears in our muscles, and protein helps repair and rebuild them stronger than before. Now, the big question, how much protein do you really need? The answer depends on various factors such as your body weight, activity level, training goals, and even the type of sport you participate in. Generally, a good starting point is to consume around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. However, for athletes engaging in regular intense training, the recommended range is typically higher, ranging from 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Let's break it down further. If you weigh 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, and are moderately active, aiming for 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram of body weight would be appropriate. That means you should consume between 84 to 119 grams of protein per day. However, it's important to note that these numbers are just guidelines. It's crucial to listen to your body and work with a qualified sports nutritionist or dietitian to personalize your protein intake based on your specific needs. Timing is another essential factor to consider. Distributing your protein intake evenly throughout the day can enhance muscle protein synthesis. Aim for approximately 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal or snack, as this seems to be the threshold that maximizes muscle protein synthesis. Now, let's talk about protein sources. While many athletes turn to protein powders and supplements, it's essential to prioritize whole food sources as the foundation of your diet. Foods such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent choices. Additionally, consider the quality of the protein you consume. Complete proteins contain all essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Sources like animal proteins, including meat, poultry, fish, and dairy, are complete proteins. Plant-based proteins, such as legumes, soy, quinoa, and chia seeds, can be combined to provide all essential amino acids. Lastly, remember that protein is just one piece of the puzzle. A well-rounded diet that includes carbohydrates, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables is crucial for overall health and performance. That's all for today, folks. Remember to tailor your protein intake to your individual needs, consult a professional, and choose a variety of whole food sources to optimize your athletic performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fitness and nutrition tips. And as always, stay strong and stay healthy.